Here we are. 3 days by the lake, just the 4 of us.
I want to go swimming right now. Me too. Last one in is a scared chicken.
Slow down, you two. Let's set up the tent first, then you can swim.
Jack, grab that bag for me. And Lily, can you hold the flashlight steady?
On it, Dad. On it, Dad.
Okay, Jack. Is the remote control still working?
Yes! I tested it this morning. Mom is never gonna see this coming.
Perfect. Let's wait until she's near the water. Ready! Go, go, go!
The water looks so calm and clear today. Lily, come look at these little fish.
Ooh, they're so shiny. Can I touch one?
Let's just watch for now, sweetie.
Ready, Dad?
What was that? Something just touched my leg in the water. Run, Lily! Get away from the water, right now! Run, Lily! It's right behind us! Oh my goodness! It's coming closer! Someone help! She really believed it. Wait a moment. Why isn't it moving like a real animal?
Sara? Take a closer look at it.
Mark? Is this a toy? A remote control alligator?
Yeah, it's awesome, right?
Surprise, Mom! It's not real! Dad helped me build the whole prank. I knew the whole time. I'm just really good at pretending.
I cannot believe you two. My heart is still racing.
I'm sorry, Sara. We got a little carried away with the joke.
Was it a good prank, though? Be honest.
It was actually very clever, but also completely terrifying.
We really are sorry. We didn't think you'd be quite that scared.
Are you mad at us, Mommy?
I'm not mad, Lily, but pranks should never make someone feel truly afraid, even for a joke.
I know, Mom.
You're right. A fun prank should end in laughing together, not real fear.
Next time, we'll do a smaller prank. Maybe a fake spider instead.
Come here, all of you. Group hug before anyone else has a heart attack today.
Best trip ever. Can we test the alligator on Grandpa next?
Let's toast marshmallows and forget all about remote control reptiles for tonight.
Hey, friends. Do you remember what Mom thought the alligator was going to do to her? Write your answer in the comments below.
A woman? On his laptop? Every single night this week? I have to know what is going on. He's smiling at his laptop and typing so fast. Who is he talking to? Mark, you've been in the study every night this week. What are you working on so late?
Oh, just a big work project, Sara. Nothing exciting. Don't worry about it.
Mark, your phone just buzzed. A message from someone named Priya. Can't wait to see you again tonight.
It's nothing. Just work stuff. I have to go. I'm running late.
Mommy, why does your face look funny?
I don't know, sweetie. I think Mommy needs to find out something. Every night this week, the same woman, the same secrecy, the same locked door. Kids, I need your help. Something strange is happening with your father, and I want to understand it.
Are we detectives now? I love being a detective. We are absolutely detectives tonight. Mom, he's laughing. I can hear him laughing with someone.
Shh, listen closely. Is that a woman's voice?
Mom, look! Dad is talking with another girl on his computer.
I hear it too. A lady is talking to Daddy. Mark, open this door. I know someone is on that call with you.
Sara? What's wrong?
Who is Priya, Mark? Why have you been hiding in here every single night?
Who are you? Why are you talking with my husband every single night?
Wait, you think Sara? This is Priya from my office. We're planning something together.
You are considering this all wrong. I am his colleague, and we are planning something special for you.
Priya and I have been secretly planning your surprise anniversary party. That's why the door was locked.
I'm so sorry, Priya. I completely misunderstood.
My anniversary party? Oh, Mark, I feel so silly right now. I'm sorry I jumped to conclusions, Mark. I should have just asked you directly.
Jumping to conclusions can cause a lot of worry, for grown-ups and for kids too.
That's true. Next time I have a question, I'll ask first instead of guessing.
And next time Dad is being weird, I'll just ask him directly.
Please do, buddy. Save your mom a very stressful week.
I still can't believe we paid this much money. Just to stand in long lines.
And eat overpriced sugar, Mark.
I'm pretty sure they did put a price on it, and it was printed on our tickets.
Mommy, look over there. I want a giant pink cotton candy.
It's not just sugar, Sara. It's a carefully engineered, highly profitable childhood memory. You can't put a price on that.
No way! We have to ride the fire dragon first. It's the tallest roller coaster in the whole park.
All right, you two thrill seekers go conquer the dragon. Lily and I are gonna find the carousel.
Keep your phone volume loud, all right? We will meet you at the exit in 20 minutes.
I'm a little nervous, Dad. My stomach feels funny. Wow, we are going up really fast. Mom and Lily look like tiny ants.
Enjoy the view while you can, kiddo.
Dad, why did we stop? We aren't at the top yet.
Well, that is an interesting plot twist. Seems the dragon needs a coffee break. Don't panic, they probably just tripped a safety sensor.
Mommy, why is the roller coaster sleeping on the hill?
Excuse me, sir? Is it standard operating procedure to...
Just a minor technical fault, ma'am. Our system automatically halts the cars if it detects even a slight irregularity. We have a mechanic climbing the stairs now.
It's shaking! Dad, a huge wind just hit us. What if we roll backward?
We cannot roll backward. We are just enjoying a very expensive, very stationary view.
I'm still really scared. My hands are shaking a lot.
Sorry for the scenic pause, folks. A computer sensor got a little too sensitive. We will have you moving in about 30 seconds. Take your time, man. I was just giving my son a lecture on structural engineering. Hold on tight! Here we go!
That was amazing! We went so fast at the end. Jack! Dad! Look, I got the pink cotton candy.
Welcome back to solid ground, boys. I was about 2 minutes away from calling in a helicopter extraction.
We were completely fine. We had a great time up there. Right, Jack?
I was really scared at the top.
You did great, Jack. Being brave doesn't mean you aren't scared. It means you feel the fear, you stay calm, and you get through it anyway.
Yeah! Can we ride it again?
Let's stick to the carousel for the rest of the day, okay? My stomach needs a break.
That was a crazy adventure. But were you paying attention? What kind of food did Lily want to buy when we first got to the park?